Hi there mga kabibo, nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong episode ng The Bibo Project. And right now we are here at NAIA Terminal 1 at nag-aantay tayo ng ating flight papunta ng Beijing, China. Yes, you heard that right. May panibagong adventure na naman tayo at pupunta tayo ng China. Alam nyo, sa China kasi maraming mga lugar na po pwedeng puntahan and those places are full of historical significance. Example na lang yan, yung Great Wall of China. Alam nyo, bata pa lang ako, gustong-gusto ko na yung mabisita. Ang sabi daw nila, yung Great Wall of China ay 2,500 years old na simula nang ito ay mabuo. Napakaganda ng purpose kung bakit ito binuo kasi it's used as a shield, a defense para dun sa mga tao noong time na yon. And the good thing about it is that it does not only serve a purpose of military purpose, but rather it also symbolizes the hard work and the perseverance of the Chinese people. And right now, it's already 6:14. Medyo na-delayed lang yung flight natin, pero very excited na kami para dalhin kayo sa adventure na ito. So huwag kayong aalis at manatiling manood sa The Bibo Project. We are now boarding the plane. Punta na tayo sa plane natin for the straight going to Beijing, China. Let's go! And there you go, after a quick bite, there's Lily there with the flag, holding the flag. At siya ang magdadala sa amin dun sa aming hotel. And I think, pati na sa mga tourist destinations, she's going to be the one who's going to guide us through. Yeah, we're about to leave now. Hi mga kabibo, andito na tayo sa Beijing Capital International Airport at umalis tayo ng Manila at around 6:50 or 6:10 and then we arrive at around 11:30 here. Everything was smooth, maayos yung biyahe, walang masyadong lubak sa airplane. And right now we're going to proceed to the immigration. Kasama natin si kagalang Coach Arman. Siyempre Coach, kaway po kayo. And after that, we're going to proceed to the destination. See you around guys. See you later. Punta na tayo sa immigration at this, sama natin si Coach Arman. Ayan, nakapila na kami sa immigration and since we are taking a group tour, we have to line up according to our list dun sa aming group visa and right now we're about to enter the immigration now. Punta naman kami dun sa bus. It's going to take us to, I really forgot the name of the hotel though. Basta, sunod tayo sa kanila. Kukunin na natin yung we're going to take the airport transfer. We're going to get our baggage on the other side of the airport. So papasok na tayo. Same transfers found in Singapore and also in Hong Kong. Ayan, pasok na tayo. Ayan, dire-diretso yung sakay natin sa transfer. Kaya mga kabibo, ito ang tanong, kailan magkakaroon sa Pilipinas ng ganitong transfer? Sa Singapore, meron. Yung Hong Kong, meron ng ganito. And yeah, abangan natin. Maybe in 100 years. Maybe in 100 years. Sana magkaroon. Ayan, from the train transfer, kunin na natin yung ating baggage doon sa baggage counter. Ayan, sa ng airport ni Beijing, China. Ayan, so kunin na natin ang ating baggage doon sa baggage counter. And si Coach Arman there. Hi, Coach. Ayan. Ayan, Kagabibo in Tagala and going to get the baggage right now. Sana makita natin ang mabilisan. Ayan, people are getting their baggage. before going to their destinations. Ito na ang ating second baggage, I think. No, wrong number. No, it's not. Yes, it is. There you go. Good. Alright, it's 1:30. Kakalabas lang namin ng immigration. Actually, nasa tapat na kami ng airport right now. And sinabihan kami nung aming tour guide, local tour guide here in China, na kumuha na ng food. Kasi nagmamadali na kami. 2 o'clock yung check-in. And bawal yung noodles, bawal yung mga magtatagal. So, if you are here, guys, one thing that we can do is may Lawson dito. So, parang 7-Eleven sa atin. And you can buy like food or to-go food. Parang ganun. Okay? So, let's go. Sa tinatawag nilang Wang Fujing Street dito po sa Beijing, China. And dito tayo dinala ng ating napakabuti at napaka-dynamic na tour guide na si Miss Lily. And sa mga vlog na mapanood ko, that it is really a walkable street, a very long street. At kung makikita nyo, mapapasyal kayo dito, maraming, there are lots of stores in here, yung mga signature na stores kagaya ng Prada, kagaya ng Cartier. So kung ano yung mga nakikita natin sa Singapore, some of them we can see here. And if we notice, maraming naglalakad dito, not only the locals but also yung other foreign workers o kaya yung mga foreigners who are enjoying the scene. And at the same time, ayun, sama-sama kami dito. And one thing that is really noticeable right now is napakalamig po ng weather po. Tita nyo po, naka-shorts lang po kami ni Coach Arman dito. Akala namin Baguio feels lang, pero I think it's way beyond Baguio feels. Kasi sa Baguio, I haven't experienced this much. No? Napupunan nyo rin mga kabibo, may dala tayong payong dito kasi kanina medyo maulan, no? Pero kaya naman sa awa ng Lord, feeling ko hindi naman tayo magkakasakit. Tapos may narinig kayong whistle kanina. Gusto kong i-put emphasis yung yung security ng lugar. Napaka safe, no? Kasi makikita natin yung mga police enforcers, they are everywhere. Tapos napuna ko lang, they're not just police officers or enforcer. Talagang napaka-serious. Tingnan niyo po yung part no, sa likod ni Coach Arman. Nandyan yung may police, may guard na po ikot. And talagang they're very serious in what they do. Well, in the Philippines, very serious din naman yung mga Pilipino. It's just that dito na po lang, they are extra more serious. Parang ganun. Kanina talagang nakikita namin ni Coach Arman, kapag ka nagmamarcha, talagang grabe talaga. So, they're really firm and many more yun. So, i-enjoy ko muna yung scene, mag-walk ako, and balitaan ko kayo. I'll see you guys. Oh, mga kabibo, andyan na naman kayo. Alam ko, inaantay niyo ako. I'm sure you are waiting for me to show you kung saan tayo mag-i-stay all throughout ng pagtigil natin dito sa Beijing, China. So, ano pinaantay nyo? Samahan nyo na ako. Tara na. At dito tayo mag-i-stay ngayon sa room 2306. Ayan. Tapos ito na yung keycard natin. Tingnan natin kung mag-work. Ayun. Siyempre, yung keycard lalagay natin dito. And that will power up everything. And just like in any other hotel, unang makikita natin yung ating washroom. By the way, kasama natin si Coach Arman, siya ang ating kasama dito sa room. And gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo, napakalaki ng bathtub nila. Hindi lang napakalaki, napakalinis. I'm sure may heater yan. Napakalamig sa labas. So definitely, pag balik mo dito, gusto mo mag-relax. And you will be able to relax through this bathtub. May towel. Pwede ka rin mag-request just in case na magkulang. Tapos, ito naman po yung ating basin. Pagka magtutoothbrush ka, mag-uugas ka ng kamay. Meron silang mga toiletries dito, no? Meron silang sabon, may toothpaste, may mga towel, may isa pang salamin, hindi ko alam kung para saan yan. Tapos, siyempre, yung bahol, no, napakalinis. And, ito ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko rito mga kabibo, no? Napakaganda ng kanilang shower corner. Definitely. Very, very good, no? Pagka ikaw ay galing sa isang napakahabang tour at gusto mong mag-relax, kung ayaw mo doon sa bathtub, dito tayo sa shower room. Okay? Alright, tignan naman natin yung kabuuan ng room. Oh, by the way, ibababa muna natin ang ating bag dito sa tabi. Alright. Yun, no? Ito po yung mga beds na aming pagtutulugan. Napakalambot. Ayos na ayos. Dito si Coach Arman, then dito ako, no? Alright, tapos, syempre, andyan yung telepono, no? Ay, pag kami kailangan tayo, I think you just dial 0 to sa ano pa rin, sa any other hotel, no? Tapos, syempre, may couch ka dito. Say, for instance, ayaw mo pang matulog, no? Galing ka sa trabaho, uupo ka sa sopa, kukuha ka ng banayad whiskey. Ay, hindi, joke lang. Si Dolphy Hu yun nung araw, ano, ang tawag dito. Yan. Pwede ka maupo rito. Makikipagkwentuhan ka before you go to sleep. And then, if ever, say for instance, you are not just here on a leisure, pero may gusto kong trabahuhin, meron ditong table kung saan po pwede kang magtrabaho pansamantala. No? Okay. Now, oh, by the way, another part is may balcony sila rito. May view, I guess, in the morning, but still, we cannot see that right now. Pero mukhang may view naman yan sa mga susunod. Baka kung ano makita natin sa video. Huwag naman sana. Ayun po, no? Definitely, if you wanted to look outside, yung tinatawag natin Pomodoro effect, definitely this one is a good part of the room na kung saan ka pa pwedeng tumingin, okay? Now, dito naman tayo. Siyempre, the usual, you have the bottled waters, no? Na magagamit mo habang nandito ka sa room. At syempre, hinahanap natin yung kettle pagka gusto nating magtsa. At sa mga kagaya natin kabibo na mahilig sa kape, no? At syempre, dahil may kettle, definitely, meron niyang kapartner na cup. O, di ba? Meron pa siyang tinatawag ng mga baso. And then, syempre, mamaya magkakape na tayo. Oh, ayan. Okay. Tapos, syempre, may ref din. Halimbawa, may mga pagkain kang itinabi. Ayan, malamig-lamig na yung ref natin, ano? Ayan. Okay. Sapat lang para sa stay natin dito. Okay. Syempre, at some point, you're here in China, gusto mo manood ng TV, kung marunong ka mag-Mandarin, mag-Pokyen, at kung ano-ano pa, or kung meron kang Netflix account dyan, I think this is definitely going to do. So, paano yan mga kabibo, mga kagala? May iwan ko muna kayo. Papahinga na muna ako. Okay? Ano? See you bukas tomorrow. We're going to be on the Great Wall of China. That's going to be the Juyongguan part. Kailangan mag-ayos muna ako ng aking mga damit bago ako magpahinga. Siyempre, we'll set the OOTD for tomorrow. Good night. Hi mga kabibo, it's already morning and it's the second day of our tour. At you know what, one thing that I noticed, umaga it's like 10 o'clock at sobrang lamig ng panahon dito sa Beijing. Talagang it justifies yung kanyang pwesto na sa globe, halos katapat niya na ang North Korea at saka ang South Korea and even Japan. Ngayon, the first stop that we have for today is yung tinatawag nating Jade Factory, no? Ang Jade Factory daw, it's actually a place or it's the organization or the place na kung saan ginagawa yung jade na ibinibigay sa emperor nung araw nung may emperor pa ang China. Ngayon, wala nang emperor ang China at this point, but they have a new system of government. So what they're doing right now is they're still trying to make the tradition alive or the culture alive, no? And this is the structure, this is the facade. Ito yung pasukan papunta doon sa area. And once we go inside, they're going to introduce how they manufacture their jade, and ipapakita nila sa atin yung ilan sa mga nagawa nilang produkto. A lot of interesting story awaits us inside. So, paano? Pasok na tayo, pero bago yun, mga kabibo, talaga sobrang lamig talaga. Kaya nakita nyo, naka-jacket tayo. I never imagined that Beijing is going to be this cold. Kasi sa Pilipinas, sanay naman tayo na na hindi ganun kalamig, no? Pero yeah, let's go inside. Kita natin yung no, yung door, pretty much like yung traditional Chinese store na nakikita natin sa movie. Let's go. Ayan mga kabibuan, dito na tayo sa loob ng Jade Factory and we're going to walk you through the parts, at least yung pinakaunahan na. Alright, so dito makikita natin yung gumagawa ng Jade as of the moment. Kumbaga parang is craftsman, no? Kung titignan natin. And still, what they're doing is pinananatili nilang buhay yung kultura, no? Ng mga Chino na pinapasa nila from older generation down to the next. Okay? We can see some of the works that they have here. Okay? Yan. And then, dito rin po, mga kabibo, some of the crafts that we have here as well. Craftsman work. And you have the horse, you have the Buddha. And here, kanina, pinapaliwanag din dito, mga kabibo, that there are different figures, and these figures have different meanings. Definitely, some of the meanings refer to fortune, luck, and many others. Okay, and this one has been especially highlighted by our tour guide earlier. That if you are going to touch, sabi nga ni Coach Arman, the rear butt or the rear, it's going to do you something good in terms of monetary things. Okay, and there, dami pang works. And one thing that we are looking into here, napakaganda nung work na ito. It's really a big one. It's something that shows the discipline and also the artistry of the Chinese people. No? Okay, and this one is like a signage, like a proof of what they have accomplished so far. No? And another thing here, this is a very interesting part here. Sabi daw, dun daw sa Paris, all of the medals there are composed of metals coming from the Eiffel Tower. And what is interesting here is that dito daw sa China, when the 2008 Beijing Olympics happened, eto, yung kanilang mga medal na binigay doon sa mga winners ay mayroong component of jade. So that's really interesting on that part. Okay? Alright, so after this, pupunta na tayo ng Great Wall. See you. Kumusta ka naman po sa Chinese? Ni hao? Ni hao? Chinese po dito sa China. Singkit din ho kanya, madam. Kaya po, nagkakamot po siya. Pero may kakaiba ko sa balahing buhunan. Ito ko kaya something different sa pusa natin sa Pilipinas. Anyway, masaya tayo makakita ng Chin Miao. Chin Miao. Oh, we got a cat here from China. A cat in Beijing. Nakakita ng pusa. Mga kabibuan, dito na kami sa jump off ng Great Wall. At yung nakikita nyo po ngayon dyan sa screen ay yung ating Great Wall. Ang dami pong bus. We can see a lot of bus in here, and there are lots of tourists in here coming from different countries, different nationalities. Ayan. And we're now seeing the Great Wall with your own eyes. Yeah. Yan, pamula sa baba kanina, dire-diretso lang ang ating paglalakad, no? And you can see marami pa ring bus dito sa taas. And mula dun sa baba, mga around 5 minutes na yung nilalakad, 5 to 10 minutes yung nilalakad namin. And madami pa ring tao. By the way, it's a Monday. And yes, papasok na kami sa loob ng parang may entrance sa papasukan. Again, there's a security check. How many 5? Halos lahat ng tourist attraction very strict when it comes to security, which is good. And ayan, nagtatawag din yung tourist guide na namin na si Lily. And kung napupunan ninyo, may mga establishment sa paligid. Pero alam ko, mga bago-bago lang yan. No? Parang ginawa nila yung vibes o yung mga architecture is mag-drive doon sa Great Wall of China. Yan, pasok na tayo. Finally, we are already here at the Great Wall of China. At least part of it. Since ang Great Wall Tour ay nahati sa tatlong klase or tatlong parts. Yung isa, yung Tianyu. The other one is the Badaling. And the one that we are in right now, ang tinatawag nating Zhongguan. And we're just very blessed to be here. Finally, walking a structure, one of the biggest in the world. Walking a structure that has been built more than 2,000 years ago with the people, right? See? Well, it's not the original structure, but at least most of it is still the original structure. And diretso lang ang lakad. Kitang-kita natin yung steepness of what we are trying to climb. Nakita po natin. Alam mo, madali lang siya. No? It's not that easy. Ayan po. Sexy po. Ayan. Ito natin, ano? Napakatarik. And some people have to rest along the way. Ayan, grabe. Tiyaga lang eh. Kasi kung titingnan natin, gumawa rin naman ito. Certainly, tiyaga. Makita natin yung appreciation natin sa kanila. So, magitan din ang pagtsatsaga dito sa pag-akyat nito. Laban daw. Laban. At this point, lapit natin maabot yung summit. We're about to get to the summit. Summit lang ng unang tower to, ha? Laban ng mga kabibo. Para sa mga viewers natin. Hi.
Hello. When?
How is it at the top?
It's great, it's great.
Really? Let me try. See you guys. Bye. Yan, hapit na. There we go. Hi. Tower 1. Whew. Tower 1 po. And that is the view. And that is how steep the stairs is. Or in Tower 1. Yung mga tao. Yeah. Thank you, Lord, for the strength. Thank you. So, andito na tayo finally sa isa sa pinakamataas na bahagi ng Great Wall of China. Again, this part of the Great Wall of China is the what we call the Zhongguan. Isa sa 3 parts, no? Again, you have Tianyu, you have Badaling, and then you have the Zhongguan part. And based from our experience, first of all, yung pag-akyat, medyo steep, challenging, pero pagdating mo naman dun sa taas, lalong-lalo na na-experience si Coach Arman yun, napakaganda, ma-appreciate mo yung beauty ng nature, beauty ng lugar, tapos yung beauty ng structure mismo. Imagine guys, this has been here for like 2,500 years. It's a manifestation of dedication, discipline, at love of culture and also the arts at yung mayamang history ng China. Dito, nandito tayo, yun ang isa sa mga natutunan natin, isa sa mga na-appreciate natin. And as we go up, marami tayong nakasalubong na iba't ibang mga foreigners din, and also Chinese, who together with us appreciates the nature. At ang napakagandang aral na makikita natin dito mga kabibo is yung tipong we have to learn how to appreciate the works, lalong-lalo na yung mga pinagpagura ng ating mga ninuno. May they be coming or belonging to the same generation or nation as us. Definitely, at the end of the day, we're still humans, we're still inhabitants of the same planet. So, dun tayo sa next part ng ating tour. Yan mga kamibo, baba na tayo ng the Great Wall of China. And it was really a good experience. Pero grabe, sobra talaga yung steep ng pinakababa natin. Last part na po yan. No? And, yep, we're here. Almost sa baba na tayo. And it was a great experience out here. You know, here in the Great Wall. Sobrang kahit na very, very difficult nung pag-akyat. Hindi namin na yun. Oh, kita nyo. Can you see it? Ayun yung inakit natin. At doon pa sa gawi doon, no? Okay. At kahit na steep, kahit na nakakapagod, hindi namin ipagpapalit itong experience na to. It is really once in a lifetime experience. Imagine mo, hindi lahat ng 50 nakakakyat. So, 40 tayo right now. And kahit na mahirap, mga kabibo, hindi na tayo sa pinakababa. And hahanapin na natin yung mga kasama natin. Ayan o, yan yung parang pinaka-unang station or unang-unang tower or unang-unang fortress. May bilang pala yan eh, no? And again, napakasaya ng experience. Hindi lahat matatry ito, but we are really thankful, grateful for this experience. Ayun o, makikita natin yung Great Wall nasa likod. Once again, this is Reynald Alfred Rosede ng Vivo Project. At masaya tayo at 39 years old na experience natin yan. Okay, see you guys on the next destination.